from Lenny Kravitz. It's our record of the week next week. We're playing that every day. Thank you for your participation on the voice notes this week. They've been really, really funny. Tina, it's you!
Thank you, Vernon. And good afternoon. It's Tina Dahealy in for Jeremy Vine on Friday afternoon. Coming up, limiting inheritance tax relief for farms to £1 million will cripple family businesses and stop farms being handed down to the next generation. That's the warning to the government. Did you suffer a burglary while you were in the property? The England test